I am Saumi Anthony. I am coming from Thrissur. This is my best friend Ansi. We came here and applied for Canadian visa, and I am working as a staff nurse in very reputed hospital in Thrissur. After that, I am having a strong ambition to go abroad to one of the agencies in Ernakulam, and I applied to USA. Unfortunately, that was a rejection. Very next month, I am come here, and I know that this is the best agency in Ernakulam, and I searched in internet, and I knew that many candidates from here are working in Canada, and I trusted with Kerala Nightingale, and I started my processing with them, and I got my visa in December, and the next month I will go to Canada. So I am thanking to all the members of Kerala Nightingale, especially Thomas sir. Thank you very much.